Okay guys, I'm about to go out. I'm going to the evening with Jan Hendrik, the Michelin star chef, in collaboration with Specco Rice, and it's an evening of curiosity, and there's going to be many other amazing chefs there as well. So I'm so looking forward to it. I'm excited. I got colored in my eyebrows and everything's gonna go well. See you later. I'm gonna do some snippets. Hier seker en almal gaan verder vat vir die mense, né?
Launch of Specco's new incredible, it's the most beautiful concept. And I think it's so important that we give it a moment. It's just that we're going to feed our curiosities through food, drinks, hopefully.
Guys, I'm driving with a gang. There's Jan Hendrik, there's Anele, and there's dinner with Machole. Everyone in one car. Can you believe it? Frikadel. Anyways, here I am in the garden, wakey. So last night, got there at the Lobby Theatre. We watched like 5 minute stories. It was very beautiful, and it was paired with the starters. And one of the starters had truffle on, lots of it. And I've never had truffle in my whole life, so it was my first time eating truffle. Everything was amazing, and one of the amazing things about it was they fully catered to me and Fatima. She is the editor of Food and Home magazine, for our halal request, and they were so amazing. And then we went, I got a lift from Jan Hendrik, and Zanella was in the car with me, as you saw in the snippet, and dinner with Matoli, cooking with Zanella, that's on Instagram. They're all wonderful people. Zola Nene was there, Abigail from Hoovers was there, Clem, I called him Pedro all night, but his name is Clementine, I think. Clem, they call him Clem, but I love him. Marinda was ook daar. Kanye from Undignified ZA on Instagram, she was there. Did I say Zola Nene? Yes. Aya, he's a private chef. And then there was another guy, and I just forgot his name. He does the food styling for Woolworths. And then the Big Bosses was there. We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves with him. Herman Lensing was there. Kobe Richards was there. She was amazing. I'm trying to remember everyone. Robin from Crush magazine. En wie nog? No, missing faces. Most probably. I'll get to them again. But if I didn't mention you, my apologies, please. It's vroegoggend. Yeah, so that was my evening out. After 2.5 years, first time out in the evening. Like going out, being in town amongst the revelers. Yeah, it was stunning, man. Everyone was super nice, super awesome, and so helpful. And yeah, I couldn't have asked for a better evening. I got home, I wasn't feeling, knocked out. Wonderful sleep. Ooh, ik was te moeg om te droom. Want ik droom, I dream in episodes, ne? And in color. Some people dream in black and white. Now you're gonna greet. Say hello for the mensen. That's my boy. Anyways, I'm gonna sit now in the garden. Just chill. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I most likely have a lot to do, but I'm going to decide what I want to do today, if I'm gonna do anything. So yes, thank you so much, Spico Rice, and Kobe, Richard's name, and the people from PepsiCo. Yes, it was wonderful. I really appreciate it. A big thank you to you. I needed this night out and it was fantastic. A party. Okay, I'm gonna say bye now, everyone. I love you all. But after this bye, I'm gonna show some snippets of when the fish bucket came. I'm gonna add it after this, but I'm gonna say my goodbyes now. Love you guys. Bye. Hallo, how are you? Hoe gaan het?
Right, you right, ma'am?
Wat het julle hier so?
Snoep. Maak eens snoep op haar. Snoep kom uit pot nodig. Het is een one overnight.
Oké, ik verstaan je.
Wat is het? Het is
Maak weer open, dan hoe leg je in?
die ondersteunen.
Nee, oké, die.
Hallo Brandon, hoe gaan het?
Hallo, Brenda.
Nice. Oké, no problem. En ik ga voor jullie iets maken om te eten. I will do so. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, not too hot. Just stay in the shade. Hello.
How many pieces must I chop it up late?
Because nou by jou hierso. Thanks so much. Yeah, my baby.
Thank you, lady.
And these 2 apples.
Ik wil nog eens zeggen. Ja, no problem.
Hoef je die op te zijn, die ons gaan het heel pak.
Zo, lady. En dan moet je die even nemen. Hoe kan dat? Als je 180-200 neemt. Ja, maar.
Het ik verkeerd getel.
Ja, 180 en 200 dames.